For my video project, I decided to do the Hooded Warbler. It's my favorite bird that we've done all semester. It's small, bright, and it has the cutest little song. Like all the other animals that we have learned throughout the year, hooded warblers are part of the phylum Chordata and subphylum Vertebrata. The only difference is their class, order, family, genus, and species. They are part of the class Aves, which includes all birds. Their order is Passiformes, and that's all songbirds. Parulidae is their family, and that's chickadees and other warblers like pine, prairie, and also Prothonotary. Their genus and specific epithet is Wilsonia citrina. Hooded warblers are small little birds with a large tail relative to their body and a short beak and small head. The color of them, generally, they're olive brown on their back, and they have a yellow head and a yellow underside that goes all the way to their tail. Hooded warblers are sexually dimorphic, which means males differ from females. Males are the ones that have the black hood or mask that makes them really adorable. And their song, they have a little voice and they say witty witty witty-o. Many of the hooded warblers are found in mixed forests that can include mixed deciduous, mixed evergreen, mixed hardwood and pine, and in those different forests, they're included in the shrubby understory, which is where they nest. Hooded warblers are migratory birds, which means they don't stay in the same area all year. They migrate during the winter. In the summer, they stay in the US, and that ranges from Pennsylvania down to Florida and across to Alabama during the months of May to September. And during the winter is when they fly down with their little wings to Central America and the Caribbean. And that's from September all the way back until May when the summer season starts. Hooded warblers nest in deciduous shrubs, and they like their nests to be built in dense shrubs so that their nests are well hidden from predators. Their eggs are off-white with brown spots. They have a clutch size of 3 to 5, and the incubation is 12 days. Hooded warblers are one of the birds that brown-headed cowbirds lay their nest in. Because of their small beak, hooded warblers eat solely insects, which are spiders and small arthropods. They rarely ever eat fruit because they get all their nutrients from the insects, which are readily available throughout the year. I hope you enjoy my little spiel about hooded warblers. Go online and listen to their song. You'll probably fall in love with them as much as I do because they're so little and so adorable. You wish you would have one as a pet. Thank you.